Alright, so did a little more work on the Go Kart here. I cut the seat frame off. It was up here or so, wherever. So we cut it off, and I'm gonna move it back here just because I'm quite a bit taller now. But those couple inches back should suffice for that. We're about to go get some fittings for the fuel tank. It's like this size, but I'm gonna get something much smaller. Maybe something that this filter can go in, because all you need is this little line and the little fitting right here. Just gravity feeds into there. What else? We're gonna have to do some tires. These are not gonna work, but just something that was laying around that I thought might work. Yeah, today's been a pretty relaxed day, but I am on vacation, so that's to be expected. But like we did, change the oil in that, and in the van. This is going to be the gas tank. It's pretty big, but oh well. We're going to braze these holes up with some patches, and then this is what the fittings I'm getting is for the bottom. But nice aluminum tank. It's going to look ridiculous, but I don't care. It was sitting in the scrap pile, so why not? Alright, so yeah, I'm going to weld this up here in a little bit and go get these fittings. Alright, so working on the gas tank for the Go Kart. We got one of the fittings and got a plug in it too down there. But working on sealing off the top. Probably just going to use some sort of like epoxy or something, but basically a little piece of scrap aluminum, just kind of on there like that. A couple self-tapping screws in, probably on these corners. Hammer that down, and then also cut out another piece for over there. This will probably be like our fill hole of some sort for gas, and this one we're just going to plug off. I haven't touched the frame other than cutting the seat frame off. Cutting the seat frame off and getting the frame cleaned up to weld it on further back. Yeah, I think that's it. That's all we're really going to get done today. On the Go Kart, I might mess around with put these back on. They're finished putting this little plate on here. Just won't seal it today.